Hi Jules, welcome back to my channel. I created this super easy look using all crayon case products. If you'd like to see how I created it, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to use the crayon case highlighter concealer in the shade 18 to clean up my brows. I'm going to use the highlighter concealer in the shade 13 as an eyeshadow base. Keep it moving, it was nice to know ya. Boy, watch me leave. You ghost to me. Wish you good luck being lonely. I'm going to go in with the shade brown from the Box of Crayons palette, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm going to be taking the shade tan from the same palette, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using the shade Cobbler from the Watch Me Blush palette. I'm going to be moisturizing my skin with my Peter Thomas Roth 10% glycolic acid moisturizer. Then I'm going to follow that up with my ALGENIST Pore Corrector Anti-Aging Primer. I'm going to be using the foundation from Zanzi Beauty Cosmetics in the shade Holy Grail. I'm going to take my Kiss Professional eyeshadow in the shade Surrender to contour my face. I'm going to be using the same crayon case highlighter concealer in the shade 17 to clean up my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use shade 18 to highlight my face. I'm going to set those areas that I highlighted with my crayon case chalk dust setting powder in the shade Y, and I'm also going to use this to reverse contour. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be using my EBIN 24-hour gel eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm going to prime my lower lash line with my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Then I'm going to go back in on top of that with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to set my whole face with my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Black Coffee. Set my face with my setting spray, which is the MAC Fix Plus, and I added the crayon case ANGLOWLA highlighter in there also. Using the highlighter ANGLOWLA to highlight my face. You ghost to me. Wish you good luck being lonely. I will push red every time you phone me. You bound to be
I'm going to be using INGLOT's liner 77, and I'm going to be using my Sigma small angle brush to do my top eyeliner. You guys can use my code JAIDOESIT to get money off at checkout at sigmabeauty.com. I'm going to be using my Crayon Case Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crawfish. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, loves.